Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Layla and today I'm so excited to show you my new baby, my POLENE CYME bag. Some people call it cyme, but I'm pretty sure the right pronunciation is cyme. So before we begin, I actually filmed unboxing for my TikTok, so I'll insert this unboxing part right now so we can move on to my first impressions. Okay, so although I unboxed my POLENE already, I still put it back in the box because I just really wanted to keep it in the box for as long as possible, because there's something about a new item, especially, you know, designer item, that makes it like so unique and you want to like keep it safe. Is it just me? I don't know. So first of all, because I live in Europe, I know that European prices somehow are lower than American prices, which is crazy to me. So I bought the big POLENE CYME and I bought it for 380 euros. Mini, by the way, is only 50 euros less. So it's really not about the price, it's just more whatever works for you. I personally really need a big one because I'm starting my post-grad studies. As you know, I'm doing my master's in journalism. So I really need a big bag that I can take with me, and I can put my laptop, water bottle, books, whatever, makeup maybe. So I really needed a good bag that can last as long as possible and be of a good high quality. So I decided to splurge and get myself POLENE. And so in Europe, POLENE CYME is 330 euros, and I checked and I saw that for Americans it's 480, which is not even like conversion rate. It's just actually more expensive. I have no idea why is that. I'm just really grateful that I live in Europe, because also I saw videos before I bought my POLENE. I saw videos of girls sharing that it actually took them about, like, I don't know how many weeks, like weeks for them to get their bag. It took me 2 days, which is amazing because they shipped it from Spain, and because now I live in Brussels, like Belgium is right up north from Spain, so I think that's why it took only 2 days, although on their website they promised that it's gonna take 6 days. So I was really thinking that I'm gonna get it in a week, and then I just got it 2 days later, which is amazing. So I'm really grateful, really happy to live in Europe so I can shop for cheaper than Americans. Sorry about that. But yeah, here's the box. First of all, it looks just, you know, boring white box, but if you look closer, you can see right here POLENE embossed. I think I'm gonna keep for something either way because it's cute, or until I sell it. So yeah, like I said, I already unboxed it, but I put it back, like, you know, so it looks like clean and aesthetically pleasing. So as you saw from the unboxing part, it came with a dust bag separately, so it wasn't packed into it, but I put it right in because why not? Let's protect my POLENE before I start my studies. So yeah, by the way, I'm starting my uni tomorrow, so I was like, okay, it's time to film my first impressions. So although I unboxed this bag already, I just wanted to share with you my thoughts before I start wearing it. And I don't know if you guys will be interested to hear my thoughts after I'll be wearing it for some time, and actually we'll figure out whether it's worth it or not. I can film that, but for now let's just focus on my first impressions. I'm honestly so happy I got this bag. So as you can tell, this is the big POLENE CYME, but I honestly don't think it's as big, because when I was watching all the reviews online, I heard girls choosing the smaller one because they were like, the big one is too big, and I honestly don't think it's that big. But also, can we just talk about the fact that the packaging is just so immaculate. It's like high-end brand, you know, very clean girl aesthetic. I love that it comes even with a brochure explaining how to use this bag, because if you know, you know, this bag can go from this size to a bigger one. So you can just close the magnets so they keep this shape, which is I think the most popular shape, which is crazy to say, but TikTok girlies, like, they ate up this bag. This is like the TikTok girl bag. It's like your clean girl bag. So first of all, this is 100% real leather, made in Spain, but I think the brand itself is French, so it's like European item, and I think I read somewhere that it's Italian craftsmanship. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. So it's like 100% European fashion product. I honestly need to put it on so you can see. Like, yes, it's big, but it's not big to the degree where it looks ridiculously big on you. Like I said, I ordered this bag in a big size because I needed to be able to carry everything, and I'm so happy I did, because like I said, from watching reviews, it made me scared that maybe big one will be too big, but no, it's not. Like, it's not. It comes with 2 straps, so one is longer so you can carry it on your shoulder like a shoulder bag, or the shorter so you can just carry it on your arm, like so. One more thing I just found out from watching reviews, but also it says so in the brochure that you will get. You can close the bag by detaching the straps from the collar buttons. So these straps on the side, cross the straps in the center of the bag and secure them on the opposing collar button, and then the option guarantees a more secure carry. The gussets are folded down and maintained in the center of the bag. So basically, a lot of people were complaining that, you know, it might be scary to carry this bag, like to lose everything. So what they came up with actually is that using these straps on the side, somehow, I've never done this before, so I'm doing it with you for the first time. This is why it's the first impression. Okay, it's too complicated. You know what? You can detach these and somehow close the bag. I'm not smart enough to do it, and also I don't mind it. Like, I don't care. I think you can just detach these, but how do you detach them? They seem pretty solid. I don't know. I'll just leave it the way it is. If you'll buy this bag and you're smarter than me, you will probably figure it out. What I really love about this bag, that it has a pouch, so you can put anything important that you don't want to lose. You can put it right here. Oh my god, the quality is so good. Just touching this bag feels so good. It feels like it's bougie. The end of the bag has POLENE logo right there, and also I really enjoy this folded shape of the bag. I think especially if you have a big one, it makes it look smaller, which I enjoy, honestly. So I've been wanting this bag for the past 2 years, and I wanted it ever since I bought my first designer bag, which was Michael Kors. Now, this is the Michael Kors bag that I've been wearing for the past 2 years. It was my go-to tote bag, big shoulder bag that I could carry around with me. As you know, I'm a freelance journalist, writer, so a lot of times I want to go out somewhere to write, so I just need a big bag. So this was my go-to, and honestly, after 2 years, it's doing great. It looks amazing. But one thing that I have realized once I bought a Michael Kors bag is that Michael Kors bags are like guest bags, where they're not something you want to have. It's like, if you have a bit of money to buy this, better save up and buy POLENE, for example. So I was, for the past few years, like basically I bought it 2 years ago, and ever since I got it, I was like, I saw POLENE and I was like, they look so similar. I don't know, in my mind I felt like you know, I was manifesting POLENE whenever I would wear this one. I was like, well, it kind of looks like POLENE. I was delulu like that. So yeah, I'm finally glad to retire this bag. I think I'm gonna resell it because I don't think I'm gonna be wearing it, although it looks amazing. Like, yes, you can hate on Michael Kors bags, but it does look very minimalistic, very clean. But ever since I bought it, like, I saw TikToks of girlies and Pinterest photos wearing POLENE bag, and I was like, I should have bought POLENE. So I'm really happy that I finally let myself treat myself and bought this It's still considered an affordable designer item, but at the end of the day I still feel like I have this like feeling like I can't splurge on designer items because I think it's just my childhood trauma, whatever. So I was really considering whether it's worth it or not, but once I bought it, now I'm like, it's so worth it. It's so trendy. And I wanted to show you that actually you can fit in your laptop, which is the reason why I bought it. So here's my laptop. Let's put it in my bag. That's it. It's inside. Look. You see? Where is it? Right here. And it's folded. I don't even need to make it big for you guys to not see it. It's perfect. Like, I definitely can recommend if you are a work girl or a uni girl, whatever. If you are carrying your laptop, if you are carrying around a lot of stuff, I think big one is a must. Honestly, because growing up I didn't have money, you know, I still have that mentality of like, designer things are not for me. And I think even if I can afford it now, I'm like still questioning whether I deserve it. And I'm trying to change that mindset. So I wanted to show you the dupe of Polene that I got in the summer, and that is mango bag that looks exactly like Polene bag. And yes, I bought it because it looks like Polene bag and it was much cheaper. But you know, I bought it and I love it so much. Like, it looks so good. But there's something about owning a designer item and knowing that like you paid the price for it and like it's a real deal. It's not just a dupe. Although it is a gorgeous bag. I would recommend anyone, if you don't want to spend a lot on, you know, Polene bag, get this mango one. I don't know if they still sell it, but definitely beautiful. Yeah, so once I bought this one, I was kind of like having a conversation with my friend, and she was like, oh, this one like is a dupe of Polene. I'm like, yeah, like I really want that tote bag, but I don't know like whether to get it or not. And then I was like thinking about it, why not? Like, why get another like dupe, you know? And for what reason? Like, just treat yourself and get yourself a nice bag. So the color that I chose is camel. You probably already know, but if you don't know, they have 4 colors in total. So camel, cognac, which is this like burgundy, reddish brown, pretty much like this one, just like more red, then black and beige or grayish. I wanted this one. As you can tell from the bags that I showed you already, like this color is my go-to, which is also the reason why I'm like, okay, maybe I should like start buying different colors. But I think I was just trying to get Polene, and every time I would buy a bag I was like trying to get Polene for less money. So I was like still buying bags that look like Polene, and now that I did it, I feel like I can finally let it go and like explore other colors. But honestly, I'm such a beige girl. Like, I love beige, I love camel, brown, like all of that is like, look, I'm even dressed like that. I really like minimalistic and clean fashion, clean look, you know, of it all. So this was a great purchase. And I love that it doesn't have your huge logos. It just has like Polene written here. And like, you need to be a fashion girly, a TikTok girly to know what Polene bag is, because honestly, my husband, he looked at this bag and he's like, it's nothing special. And I'm like, you don't get it. And men, they don't get it. And like, people who don't get fashion, they also don't get it. So if you don't get it, you just don't get it, okay? It's only for the girls that get it. The girls that get it, okay? So yes, this is my first impression. There is not that much I can add besides the fact that I'm excited about the fact that my laptop could fit and my water bottle. So if you wanna hear my opinion maybe 6 months later, let me know. I would definitely love to share pros and cons of buying this bag, because if you're like me, watching reviews, like hundreds of them before making a big purchase like this one. And yes, I know there are people who buy like designer bags for 1,000 euros. For them 300 euros is nothing, but I don't come from money. So for me, like spending so much on bags, it's like I need to think about it. I need to sleep on it. I need to watch reviews. I need to listen to the girlies. And this video is for the girlies like that who also like don't buy things just like without checking pros and cons. And I'm also not a fan of like buying a designer item when you have nothing to eat, when you have nothing to pay your rent with. Like, no, you need to invest in designer items when you can already afford them without sacrificing your overall like necessities. So that's also the reason why I'm starting with these affordable designer items, and I don't feel comfortable just like splurging on more expensive items yet, but I hope I'm manifesting to come to that point as well. But for now, Polene is my new designer bag that I'm so proud that I gifted to myself, because I definitely deserve it, and you deserve it too, girl, if you can afford it. But like, if you cannot afford it, just go for a dupe. Like, I do not support buying designer items if you cannot, you know, survive the whole month because you bought like expensive bag or shoes or like latest iPhone. Like, it's not my way of living. So I always support living sustainably, buying good quality items if you can support your lifestyle besides buying expensive bags. So yes, but if you're thinking about buying Polene, this is your sign, you should buy it. And another big reason why I wanted to buy it for the new student year is that I think it's a really perfect bag for fall winter. Like, because of the long straps, you can wear it over any puffer jacket, any oversized coat. So I think that is a big part of it. And you'll be seeing this bag a lot. Like, if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I think I'll be like showing you guys what's in my bag. Maybe I'll film one for YouTube even, and then I can share with you my thoughts. How about that? Would you like that? Let me know. Okay, I really don't have anything else to say. Like, I'm not a fashion review type of girly. Just really wanted to share with you what I got because it's such a major purchase for me. And I did one video like this when I got my Michael Kors bag, so I thought, you know what, I elevated my style, so let me share it with my beautiful subscribers and let them know that this is the new it bag. If you're thinking about buying Michael Kors, don't. No shame towards Michael Kors, I'm just saying something we all know, right? So I hope this video was helpful, and let me know in the comments if you would like more fashion content or anything else. Like, let me know. I want to hear your thoughts. If you are thinking about buying Polene, if you have any questions, I would love to answer. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.